why? This is your boy. Say it, your boy. This is your boy. Àyàngbáyé. Bàtà. Mo fẹ́ kọ́jọ́, mo fẹ́ kọ́lù. Àyàngbáyé. Bàtà. Mo fẹ́ ràlù, mo fẹ́ ṣèlù. Àyàngbáyé. Bàtà. My viewers at home, this is your boy. As I said earlier on, this is Àyàngbáyé Bàtà. In the last edition, you could remember the topic, the title, Unveiling the Secret of African Drums, Part 1. And this is the next edition, which is Unveiling the Secret of African Drums, Part 2. And in the last edition, you could remember I told you that we'll be examining, what I call it? We'll be examining which drum will give it to me. That is Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. That is what we are going to examine today. Sit back, sit tight, sit right, and enjoy the teaching. Yes, before we move on, let me sound this one to our hearing. Teaching on African drums does not affect your religion. Please take note. It doesn't affect your faith. Take it that way. And I want you to know that what meant to be taught must be taught. That is, the reality, how our fathers did it in those days, must be revealed unto you. And that's why we call it Unveiling the Secret of African Yoruba talking drum. Now, today, we'll be talking on Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. How does it look like? What are the ensemble of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum? Who are the people playing it? What are they playing it for? Who are the people dancing to the rhythm of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum? Who are those people? For who are we playing it for? Who are those people that are dancing to it, to the rhythm of the drum? Those are the things we'll be examining today. Then what are the names of those people that are playing it? The family that play the talking, the Ìgbìn talking drum, Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Okay? The look of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. The shape, how does it look like? Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum is just like a kuba. We use animal skin like that of deer, like that of antelope. Those are the animal skin from the bush that are very thick, and we use it for Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. The face is about 14 centimeter wide when you measure it at the circumference. Then the height is about 2.5 feet. It is about 2.5 feet. It is not too big. It is not too big. As you are looking at it there, that is Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. That is how it looks like. That is the picture. That is the picture. That is the picture. Yeah, I move on directly because of our time. I move on directly to the ensemble of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Ensemble of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. First of all, we have the one called Ìyá-ńlá. That is the biggest one. Ìyá-ńlá. They are 4 in number. They are 4 in number. We have the first one as Ìyá-ńlá, that is the big mother. That is how I will call it for you, because I'm a Yoruba man. The big mother, the big mother, the big mother drum. That is Ìyá-ńlá. That is the biggest one. That's the biggest one. And the second one is Ìyá-gàn. Ìyá-gàn. That one is smaller. Another one, the third one is K. Will you call it with me? K. That is the sound it usually produces. K when the rhythm is going on. K, and that is where we took out the name. Okay, now the fourth one The fourth one, which is the smallest one, is afere. Afere, afere. Say it, afere. That is the fourth one, and that is the smallest one. Remember again, I mentioned again, ìyá ńlá, ìyá gan, kéké, and afere. That is the ensemble of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Yes. Then we move on directly or quickly to the worshippers. Who are the people that are dancing to the rhythm of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum? Who are the original people that danced to this Yorùbá talking drum? Those are the people. They are the Ọbàtálá worshippers. Like I said all the time, this thing must not affect your faith. Your religion must not be affected. But what's meant to be taught must be taught. Okay? Now, those are the people that dance to the rhythm of Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Now, the worshippers are the Ọbàtálá worshippers. They are Ọbàtálá worshippers. It is also called Òrìṣà as well. Okay? Òrìṣà or Ọbàtálá in Yoruba land. That is the general name they know it for. Okay? That is the general name everybody knows it for. But in some areas, like in Ìkirè, Yoruba land here, Ìkirè, they call it Òòṣà Ìkirè. In Òwu, we call it Òrìṣà Òwu. Yes. In Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, we call it Òrìṣà Ọjà. Depends on the area. That is Èdè Àdúgbò for you. Èdè Àdúgbò ló tún jẹ́ kí varieties yẹn tún wáyé. But the general name is what? Ọbàtálá or Òrìṣà ńlá. In Ifẹ̀ Oyè, Ifẹ̀ Òtólú, Ìdòjúmọ̀ tí mọ́ wá there. That is the name they call it. In Ọ̀yọ́ and the Òkè Ògùn area, that is the name they call it. Ọbàtálá or Òrìṣà ńlá. Yeah, the drum for Òrìṣà ńlá or Ọbàtálá is Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. By the time we get to the level, to the teaching on how we play for each of these gods in Yoruba land, nǹkan kì í síbẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ṣá, just stay tuned and begin to watch us every week, every day, every hour, every minute. We have many things in bulk that have been packaged for you. In addition, I want to give you varieties of names that the beater or the players, the artists that are usually playing the Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum usually bear their names. You hear the name like Onígbìndé, and that simply means Aláyàndé. Can you see? So when you hear Onígbìndé, don't think it is Ìgbìn. No, it is not snail. Onígbìndé, that is Aláyàndé, that is the or Onílùdé, that is the meaning. Like Bámi Ṣígbìn, like Bámi Gbégbìn, like Bámi Gbé. If it is Bámi Gbégbìn, it means Bámi Gbélu. Is that taken out? We have like Ìgbìntádé, we have names like Ìgbìnṣọlá, like Ìgbìntúndé, and many other ones like that. So those are the names of those people that are playing Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum. So whenever you hear such names, you know that those people are from the Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum family. Okay? Like I was saying, those people that dance Ìgbìn Yorùbá talking drum are usually elderly people, because those people are the ones that are worshiping the gods. Okay? They are the ones that are worshiping Ọbàtálá. And I want to tell you, even if the person is at his 20 or at his 30, once he is a Ọbàtálá worshipper, the person is considered an elderly person. He is considered an elderly person, and the way we dance it is just easy. I will show it to you. It has been packaged already. I will show everything to you perfectly by the time we get to the level of how we play different rhythmic pattern for each of the orishas we have in Yoruba land or Africa generally. So by this, we come to the end of today's teaching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want to tell you, by doing so, you are helping yourself because you'll be notified whenever we upload any teaching on these things we are talking about. God bless you till next edition. I remain yours sincerely, yours faithfully, Ayangbayi Bata. Mo fẹ́ kọ́jọ́, mo fẹ́ kọ́lù, Ayangbayi Bata 08038427239. Bye bye. I love you, I love you, I love you. Gbà síbẹ̀.